To view notifications from the clock screen, swipe right. To view the Moments bar from the clock screen, swipe down. To access the Widgets board from the clock screen, swipe left to the desired widget. To add a widget, swipe left to the Add Widget screen. Then select Add Widget. To remove a widget, select and hold the desired widget until the minus icon appears. Then select the Remove icon. Change watch face. To change the watch face, select and hold the clock screen. Swipe to the desired watch face. If you'd like to customize the watch face, select Customize and edit the watch face. Select OK when finished editing. You can also change your watch face from your paired device. From the Galaxy Wearable app, select the Watch Faces tab. Edit the watch face as desired. The wristband tabs are located on the back of the device. To remove a wristband, use your finger to pull the wristband tab away from the side of the watch. Then, detach the wristband from the watch. Repeat this process to detach the other wristband. Attach wristband. To attach a wristband to the watch, use your finger to pull the wristband tab in. Make sure that the metal pin is flush with the leather on one side. Place the metal pin that is protruding from the leather into the pinhole on the side of the watch. Line up the wristband with the other pinhole and release the wristband tab. The wristband should lock into place. Repeat this process to attach the other wristband.